Hello, Rico. I'm Amri, reporting for the place, the tourism place or the hidden gem place at the Kaliurang. This destination we call the ATV Kaliurang or all-terrain vehicle Kaliurang. And we have some two destinations here. The first one we will play the sun jeep here. One jeep has two people in there, and the next we will play some scooter in there. Okay, you can look beside me or the back to me. This is really rain. This is really good place to play the jeep over there. Okay, let's see the result, the video, the destination for the ATV Kaliurang in the result in the next video. Thank you, Rico.
Kaliurang ATV or all-terrain vehicle tour is a very interesting destination for adventure lovers in the outdoor sensation, but to drive is not really easy. You can look at me over there, it's really complicated to use it. This ATV Kaliurang is located in the masnerizen Yogyakarta Sleman Kaliurang. Visitors can enjoy the beauty of nature while experiencing the excitement of ATV riding. The challenging, adventurous crossing forests, rivers, and rocky terrain provides an unforgettable experience. In addition, this activity also provides an opportunity for visitors to feel the adrenaline rush to improve their off-road driving skills. In one day, there are 5 sensations at the 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m. and finally 4 p.m. the last session, with the price of 175,000 rupiah can feel the off-road driving and play scooter afterwards. ATV Kaliurang not only provides an exciting adventure experience but also allows the visitors to unite with the surrounding nature. The beauty of Kaliurang's green scenery and the fresh air will make every moment of the trip here more memorable. With all its uniqueness and attractiveness, Kaliurang ATV attraction should be the top choice for those who are looking for unforgettable adventures experience.
Here we go.